Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to create a beautiful text cursor like the one on X website with the WP Custom Cursors version 3.3.0. If you don't have this version, please update to the latest version. The cursor we are going to build is going to be similar to the one on this site, xweb.com. It's a beautiful smooth text cursor. So let's go to our admin panel, click here to add a cursor, and then click on the create link or cursor maker link here. Once on the cursor maker page, please select the cursor type to text, and from the text type drop down select horizontal. You can input your text here. For example, let's type scroll. Let's change the background color to black and radius to 150 or 55. It doesn't make difference. We don't want padding. We want a smaller width. And let's change the text color to white, and then change the font weight to normal, and let's reduce the font size a little bit. That's good, I think. Yeah. And then we need to set the transition duration. I'll choose 400 milliseconds of transition duration and backdrop filter to blur. The backdrop value may be 3 pixels, and we are ready to go. But before we save the cursor, we just need to do something else, and that's to make the color a little bit transparent because we want the background to be seen. So change the transparency to 0.2 maybe. Yeah, that's good. And now save the cursor. Once your cursor is saved, it will show up in this list. Now click on the cursor to add it to the page and add it to the entire website. Okay, our cursor is added. Now let's go to the front of our website and see it in action. Refresh the page. Yeah, our cursor is looking similar to the one on X website. And if you have noticed, the cursor background is blurred as the one on X website. Thank you so much for watching this video.